Hi, in this video we are going to see the faculty recruitment notification in one of the National Institute of Technology guys. Okay, so recently we got this notification from one of the NIT, and the candidates who are having the PhD, they will get the 65,000 rupees per month as a salary, and the candidates who are having the only post graduation, they will get the 50,000 rupees per month. And here only post graduate candidates, no need of UGC NET or the PhD qualification. Okay, so whatever the post mentioned here, with only PG also you can apply, with PhD also you can apply, and there are the separate emoluments for both these two qualifications. Fine. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, it is Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal. So from this college here we got the recruitment notification guys. Okay, just scroll down and here you will check down the careers blog is there. Okay, so just click on this one and then you will be directed to the different vacancies in this college at present. So advertisement for walk-in interview for appointment of temporary faculty members. So just click on that one and then you will be directed to this one. So here regarding this advertisement, they did not given the much details guys. I mean, of course the clear cut details are there, but they just mentioned in a very simple way. So here the advertisement is mentioned in both Hindi as well as English, okay, that you may check down here. So walk-in interview for appointment of temporary faculty, that means direct walk-in interview is there, and walk-in interview for appointment of temporary faculty is to be held in under mentioned departments at 10:30 a.m. on a given dates. So interested candidates may submit application and a resume on plain paper along with photocopies of certificates and testimonials in the office of the concerned head of the department on or before the date and time of the interview. And the candidates having the first class UG and PG or PhD in relevant disciplines will be eligible to appear in the interview. Preferences shall be given to the candidates having the PhD degree or the NET qualified candidates. That means if you're having only PG, then you may apply guys, no problem. But while coming to the selection process, the preference will be given to the candidates who are having the national eligibility test or the PhD degree. Coming to the departments, computer science and engineering, materials and metallurgical engineering, management studies. The date of walk-in interview is 14th July. And architecture and planning, chemistry, mathematics, bioinformatics and computer applications and physics. 15th July 2021 is the walk-in interview date. So candidates must bring the original certificates and testimonials for verification purpose, and the tenure of appointment shall be odd semester commencing in July 2021 and up to end of the semester, shall not be extended under any circumstances. So it is perfectly mentioned that if you are prepared to work only one semester, then you may apply for this one guys, up to end of the semester. Fine. Selected candidates having PhD degrees will get the consolidated salary of 65,000 rupees per month, and others will get the 50,000 rupees per month. Fine. So these are the details given here, and here whoever the candidates belongs to these departments with the PG or PhD or PG plus UGC NET, okay, then you may go for the walk-in interview. But whoever the interested and the eligible candidates are there, you have to submit the application and resume on plain paper along with the photocopies of certificates and testimonials in the office on or before the date and time of the interview. Okay, that means before this date you have to submit guys. So you just find out how to submit your what we call documents if you are staying away from this college. Okay, so because they did not mention whether you have to send by through post or anything else. Okay, that one is not mentioned. Fine. So you just please find out how to send the copies. Okay, so whoever the candidates are staying long from this college and who can't able to give directly to the office, okay, try to make an inquiry, or else whatever the mentioned address is there, send all your copies. Okay, whatever they mentioned here, send all your copies through hard copy. Fine. I mean, it is my suggestion, but it's better to once inquiry with them. Okay, okay guys, fine. So it is the details regarding this recruitment notification, and to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.